Hi guys, this is Trading Professionals. Let me quickly analyze gold and some pairs for the week. Okay, this is gold chart on the daily time frame, and the first thing I want to look at is this trend. The trend is broken and retested. The trend is broken and retested. That's the uptrend. And of course, we know that the market came to an all-time high. So this was the resistance level. Couldn't take it out. Sorry. Okay. We have this. So we can find that the price came to an all-time resistance. Couldn't take it out, of course. It broke it, and then this is a retest coming back. A retest of structure. Market return to the broken structure. So now what we have today, we have a break of structure here. So a break of structure, and then this. I just need to show you everything. So let me zoom into the chart. Remember, trading is all about what you can see on the chart for a chartist. That's for someone using the technical analysis. Of course, you also pay attention to fundamentals. So I already established that we have a break of market structure here. Okay, then what we had initially, I drew this after this market gap, before all this printed. So I knew that the market will respect it. Let's see what happened. Okay, you can see this level had been retested. So that was why we had this pullback. So what we are looking at is what's happening within this price circle here. So we have a symmetrical triangle. So I'll be waiting for a breakout. Most likely, I expect this breakout to be on the downside. We already have 1, we have 2, 3, 4, and then 5. The breakout can happen here, or we can also have the market go back to this trend line before a breakout. Of course, I'm not ruling out the possibility of having a breakout to the upside. Okay, but for me to go with a buy, I have to see the market break this level and then also take out this price level here. That would have something like break, retest, yeah. Then, and if that happens, most likely we are going to have, of course, by then this downtrend line would have been broken. Okay, I'm just doing everything. Let me don't look at multiple things. So what I'm looking at, while I was doing, I was seeing a lot of things, so I don't want to go there. So I'm just going to pay attention to a breakout. What confirms the breakout is a breakout structure. Okay, so patience is key in trading, and of course we are. If today closes bearish, most likely we would have, most likely if it takes out this low, that stores this low, then we should have the market keep going down. But what really confirms it is the break of this structure, and that's about what price do we have there? We have, that's 19. Once the market goes below 192, 1902, then it's confirmed. Okay, for me, this level has been respected, so we're just going to have market breakdown or start trading to the downside. So that's that on good. I wouldn't say much again. Let's watch it play out. Let me look at EU. What do we have on EU? Well, EU is doing very well according to my prediction. I didn't really have the time. I wanted to show something on pounds, but it's already playing out. So I'll just show us what. Same thing on EU. We are looking at a bearish continuation. already the market had broken out of this this pattern here, this rising channel, of which price wasn't bullish at that point. It was kind of ranging, but creating an upward movement. So of course the trend line had been broken, and see break, retest, and then we have a break of this structure. The market currently coming down. We have a break of this structure. Price currently coming down to this particular structure, which I know will be broken as well. You know what I want. Which I know would be broken as well. So we just have to pay attention here. I really didn't check the fundamentals for this week, mostly for tomorrow. So we have to be patient. So let me zoom in there. Yeah, the market has to do a lot to break this place. So for a short-term trader, okay, often my analysis is on the long term, but for a short-term trader, you can be expecting to buy here, at least grab up to 100 pips. For a short-term trader, you can be expecting to buy here. I'm not expecting anything more than this, just something like this. Okay, it will be a good buy actually. Most likely to buy. If I had paid attention to fundamentals, I would have been more strong in my decision to buy there or not. However, whatever we do in this channel or in terms of analysis is purely for educational purposes. So you do not take that as an advice to invest your money to trade on all that. Okay, it's purely for educational purposes, so please take note of that. All right, so looking at it, we have strong bearish move on Euro USD. So I would still stay bearish. Let me look at the weekly chart to explain something. I really don't want this video to be long, so I would, after EU now, I would look at pounds, dollar, and then that would be all for that. Now I want to show you what really transpired here. The market did 165 or 50% retracement of this bearish impulse move, which started in 2021. Okay, yeah, 161. I know I checked it before. So it did 161, you can see, and market is dropping. So it's a good one. It's a good drop. Okay, so this was kind of a correction, and I really don't need to show you more conviction. Like, I don't need to convince you more about what we are doing. Okay, you can see so break and retest, then this just was a hunt, of course, to come to this other block here, of which came to the other block and then we sell. So just to give you more confidence to trade it. However, always put your risk limit into consideration. You don't just pick a trade and expose yourself. Know what your risk tolerance is when taking a trade, when planning your trade. It's very important. Okay, so I'll look at this market dropping down to this, then a possible buy before the bearish continuation. Okay, we've really missed out on these moves. I've been quite busy, so it's not even easy to spare out this time to do this. Okay, so let's look at same thing guys. Dollar strength. I'm looking at dollar strength. You see that market came back to 61, and so this was the retracement. I missed. I couldn't. I was so tired yesterday, so I couldn't explain the market. I couldn't do a record on the market move today. By now, you would have been making some money on pounds, dollar. I trade pounds a lot. Okay, my network is quite not stable, so it takes time to load all this chart. Okay, I think it's loaded. Okay, I guess it's loaded. Let's look at. Yes, it's loaded. Let's look at. We had a falling triangle here. So I saw it on my mobile device yesterday. So I wanted to show it before the market opened. So this was an impulse, and then we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at 5 it broke, and then if you look at today, it already did the retest, break retest. So this would have been a good place to take the trade. So going forward, I could recommend looking out for entry around this price between today and tomorrow. Yeah, you can look out for entry here, or use your trade plan. I believe you're a trader. You have other methods of entry that suits you most. You can use that to find entry into this pair to sell it. Okay, where I'll be looking at a possible market demand level would be at this price. So and then we have up to, so between now and tomorrow, I'm still expecting up to 100 pips more from pounds dollar. It's even better to go short on pounds dollar than going short on euro USD. But gold is as well okay to go short, but you need to wait. But if you want to trade immediately, pounds dollar gives us the most interesting opportunity. Okay, if you are trading with our bot, I could say okay, use it. Place your entry here, pending order. Now, one thing we've been able to do is to build a system that also allows you to trade with your pending order, and it has TP. You can modify it as well. You can modify it. Okay. So what's the advantage of this? You can notice there is no SL. So is it that it would blow your account? Most likely not. What it just does is to help you manage your trade. So you can place your pending order, then the bot would manage the trade. Okay, so I have my pending order. Of course, you set your TP, you set your lot size. That's that. So you can reduce your lot size if you want. We have SL, but we'll place it far away from the market. So we're using martingale to manage the trade. And then these are a multiplier. You can reduce it. Okay, thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. If you got value, subscribe to this channel. This is your first time of seeing our videos, kindly subscribe on this channel. Turn on the notification bell so you can know when we upload our content. Thank you very much for watching once again. Enjoy the rest of the day.